Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can make an account in Betr app. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. So I will just open it. Okay. So here they give the option to direct sign in, not to make the account. So to make an account here, you have to follow this easy step. So here you will just go and you will directly search for here at Betr. Okay. Just go at here. So from here you can directly click on the sign up button, or you can just see for the app, and from here you can just go and you can do sign up, and from there you can fill the detail, and that's done. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. That will require a number and something like else it will be required. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.